Omnichannel marketing is an advertising strategy that mixes the different channels existing in the analog, physical, and digital environment for interactions with customers. It is adapted to each person, keeping their data available on all those channels. Its main function is to create a comprehensive customer experience, taking advantage of all the advertising possibilities available. The goal is for that person to make the decision to buy anytime or anywhere from any platform. Thus, the channels that come into play are many. Its main application features are as follows. It integrates payment channels and advertising with other types of communications, email, social networks, web, etc. Its advantages are to always get new customers and anywhere, eliminating the traditional physical spaces. This strategy is ideal to increase the opportunities to contact the customer who is interested or makes a purchase and then to retain it. Likewise, omnichannel advertising benefits a buyer's relationship with their company so that they can interact at any time through their smartphone. It is about facilitating the whole process through the possible channels in operation, from the website to the physical store itself where you come to pick up an order. This approach is useful thanks to a large database that collects up-to-date customer information so that it can be applied in the sales process. Coordination and connection between channels are essential for the objective, with benefits present in the support, the service of returns and payments, as well as favorite products of searches. Therefore, you should know that it differs from multi-channels advertising in that all areas are interconnected. In this way, it is always the same but on different platforms.